when Cody said meeting time. We all stood around, shift starting fine. Phone buzzed once, then everything stopped. One dumbass text made all our jaws drop. It popped up bold on the group chat line. Squirrel said something that crossed the line. Hey Unc, you think you could front me till Friday? Yeah, Ben about choked on a soda can. I just stared like, is this your man? Brad said voice fried straight out his mind. And Chris just sighed like, here we go this time. Front me till Friday now, ain't that rich? Texting for a bump right in front of the snitch. Didn't even flinch, not a test in sight. He's still out there tweaking every damn night. He's Red Bulled up, sweeping one damn tile. Wrong chat, my ass, he's been cooked a while. He said, sorry y'all, that was for my uncle, just asking for Tylenol, with a nervous chuckle. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But Cody just glanced, then looked away, like he didn't hear a drug deal underway. Now he's back on line 3, causing a mess, pushing on brooms and creating more stress. Scoring wheel shot, sauce cutting wide, and he's still acting like he's full of pride. Front me till Friday, he's begging again, then runs off to smoke what he bummed from Ben. One spot clean, but the rest still dust. Moon tile, no bevel, metal in the crust. We fix it all night while he tweaks and grins. Might be the only man who's allergic to winds. Now I ain't saying the boy's on meth, but if you sweep one tile 7 times and still look busy, you might be chemically motivated. Oh, front me till Friday, it's the legend now. Every new guy hears it and just says, wow. We still laugh and we still shake heads while he's out there messing up bevels instead. He ain't got shame and he ain't got pride, but boy sure knows how to sweep and hide. Still no drug test, but he's got that one tile spotless, boys. You might be chemically motivated. Front me till Friday, it's the legend now. Every new guy hears it and just says, wow. We still laugh and we still shake heads while he's out there messing up bevels instead. He ain't got shame and he ain't got pride, but boy sure knows how to sweep and hide. Still no drug test, but he's got that one tile spotless, boys.